Look at this guy.
Hmm?
Brushing his teeth.
Okay, well hopefully...
You want to flip around and show the guy brushing his teeth?
Alright, let's do it. So here we are by the Museum d'Art Contemporary de Montreal. We just saw a guy brushing his teeth. It's filming you.
Wearing a shirt.
It's locked onto your face.
Great.
Oh, he's actually just behind you. He also has some mouthwash.
Shall we?
Yeah. And here is where we're going. Let's check it out. Perfect. Thank you. This is about two guys moving a piano. So for $20, that was the... Yeah, $10 each. That was the Museum of Contemporary Art. What do you think, Mrs. Kenning?
It's cool. I like the pencil one the best.
We
The pillow was good too.
Yeah, we watched a feature-length documentary about how marble pillars are made. It was very interesting.
Would you tell people to go if they had to choose one, this one or the other one?
I think I like this one, but there's less stuff in this one. The other one had a lot of stuff.
And a gift shop.
And a gift shop. So if you want to buy gifts, this one's not the one for you. Okay, so now we're back on
Do you want to head towards the river?
St. Catherine. Yeah,
I think it might be this way.
let's do it. Let's check out the river.
Oh. Like that. Oh. You can see too.
I do.
One of the best parts about travelling with Waylon.
Yeah.
Some people just catch ubers everywhere. Not us. We use our time differently. We tire ourselves out getting to the place, and then we spend about a minute there and then turn back. So if you're interested in booking a tour with Waylon, let us know.
You are so rude. You're churlish. It's very upsetting.
Just saying, this isn't a 5-star tour. There's been no water offered to me. It's very hot, there's no air conditioning.
We just spent 40 minutes on a bus come here to a rapids park where we can see some rapids in the St. Lawrence River. These are the rapids. We made it. We're here at Rapids Park in Montreal. Apparently the T is silent. So it's Montreal. Did I do it right?
Why are you saying Mon?
Montreal. Montreal.
What's the word?
I don't know.